Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where traders, analysts, and also developers share their market insights, market ideas, and also market updates. You can also be part of this community to also learn and to connect with traders of like-minded people or analysts or developers of like-minded people. To be part of this community, visit investsocial.com. So whatever financial market you trade, be it stocks or forex or indices or commodities, any of these financial markets you trade, right? Invest Social has a section for every of these. So once again, visit to stay connected, learn more, and also you can also share your own idea and also strategy. Starting with our trend, we've been predicting a bullish move for a couple of days right here on GBPUSD. GBPUSD has not been giving us the movement. There is no momentum on GBPJPY right here. GBPJPY, there is no momentum on GBPJPY. Of course, we are anticipating for a buy, right? We are anticipating for a bullish move, but the momentum on GBPJPY is still not there. I believe if you can go in for the buy and hold the buy position till next week, we should be able to tap a level of 216. That is what I believe GBPJPY will likely do. If we can go in for the buy and hold the buy position till next week, probably by next week, Monday or Tuesday, market should be able to hit a level of 216 and possibly smash above it. Right now, GBPJPY, we are still anticipating for the buy. We are still anticipating for the bullish move. Let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame right here, guys. So this is a major rejection zone. We can see right here. This is a major rejection zone whereby market was able to come to get tap this level. We had a rejection that made market to bounce up. Market was able to come again to tap this level, which it has rejected, is bouncing up. So we have to expect the bounce up to continue right here. So we have to expect the bullish move on GBPJPY to continue. So let's see if we can see that bullish move and see if we can maybe hit 50 pips for the day. So if you can make about 50 pips for the day, it is definitely not bad, right? It will be fine. Although if in case there might be changes to this movement, I will do the update. So if you find this video and analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com to stay connected and to share your idea and what you think will likely play out for the day.